Hey everyone, it's Kristen Gunderson with Gunderson's Bookkeeping, and it's after hours. I really felt like I should come to you today and talk with you a little bit about the advanced child tax credit. So if you are getting the child tax credit, the advanced one, you already should have gotten some money into your bank account last month or gotten a check, and you have questions about it, wondering if you will have to pay this back. This is the video for you, and I'll keep it short, but I want to broad it out and answer as many questions as I can. Next year, when you do your taxes for 2021, each child that you have, you'll be getting a child tax credit of $3,000 for age under 17. If it's under 5, it's $3,600. What they're doing, and that's if you qualify, your adjustable, I think your AGI has to be under 150,000 to even receive that. So if you're getting that and your AGI is more than that, you might want to opt out. I'll explain how to do that in a little bit. So say you only have one child, okay? For instance, say you have one child and you would be getting $3,000 for them because they're 7. Half of that, so $1,500 of it, is getting sent to you this year advanced. Divided by 6 months, that's $300. That's where that number's coming from. That's why you're getting $300 every month per child. So should you keep it? It all depends. I want you to know that it's an advance though. So if you are used to getting back a lot of money, say $5,000, $8,000 or more, then you can probably keep it. You will not owe money. Just for you know, your tax return will be $1,500 less per child that you have if you keep it in advance this year. So say you're used to getting $5,000, you have one kid, you're probably going to get about $3,500 next year on your tax return if you keep the advance child tax credit this year. Just round numbers. I was talking to a guy that I did his tax return today, and he has 3 children, so he's getting $900 every single month now as of last month. And his tax return, when I did it this year, he was getting a refund of $1,800. I let him know that if everything stays the same, which I know it's not because he has a lot of moving parts and a lot of things are happening this year for him, but if everything were to stay the same for him and he's getting back $1,800 refund and he's getting $900 every single month now, that he should probably cancel and opt out of the advanced child tax credit. So say everything stays the same. He's already gotten $900 of the $1,800 that he got this year. If he gets the August one, if he doesn't opt out by August, he's probably going to be breaking even. He might owe just a little bit, might get back just a little bit, give or take. But if he receives that $900 in September, October, November, and December, that's $3,600 he's going to end up owing next year when he files his taxes, because that's $900 per month that he was given in advance for the child tax credit, and hopefully he qualifies for it. Like if his income goes above, his AGI goes above 150, probably not going to qualify for it. So if you are used to owing money anyways, or you're close to zero, give or take $1,000 or whatever, I would probably opt out of your opt out of the IRS child tax credit. And these are just generalizations, but if you already owe, you're going to owe the $300 per child that you were given this year in advance, in addition to what you normally owe. Okay. To opt out, go to the irs.gov website, irs.gov website. And on the front page of that website, let me get there real quick. On the right hand side, it says, the second one down, it says get details on the advanced child tax credit. This is where you want to go. And then once you click there, there's manage payments. You will need your ID in order to sign up for an IRS username and ID. So you will need your ID in order to do that, but I would recommend doing that. Sorry about that. My children came in, but yes, if you already end up owing anyways, I would recommend opting out of it. You're just going to end up owing more at the end of the year, or when you do your taxes, I should say. If you need more help than this generalization I just gave you, I am happy to help you. I do this all the time. I would need your information if you're not a tax client of mine already, like what your 2020 taxes were, what your refund was, what the changes are, how many kids and stuff like you have. Do you have a business? So I would need to take into account all of that stuff. It does take me a while to figure this stuff out, so I do have to charge for it. But I will get on a Zoom or a phone call with you and go over the results with you, and make sure I understand everything, and then give you what my recommendations are. And if you would like that, go ahead and comment on this video. Our website is gundersonsbookkeeping.com, or my link is in the bio if this is on Instagram. But otherwise, just respond, comment, and I'll reply back. Thank you.